Took me 25 years to learn that different types of shoes require different cleaning methods. 1. Toothpaste mixed with warm beer will prevent white shoes from yellowing. 2. For scratches on shoes, just drop some menthol oil and wipe with a cloth. The scratches will disappear. 3. Dipping a solution of dish soap and white vinegar is an effective way to clean mesh shoes. It easily scrubs them clean. 4. Washing your face with a hand cream will make your leather shine as if it's been waxed. 5. Rubbing suede shoes with white wine mixed with conditioner will instantly restore them to a new condition. 6. Worn flip-flops can turn yellow and may even become infected with athlete's foot. Add white vinegar, edible salt, and dish soap to water and soak the flip-flops for 10 minutes. Shake them a few times and they'll be clean in no time. 7. If your white shoes haven't been washed for a long time and have grown mold, don't throw them away. I'll teach you a trick. Pour some sodium bicarbonate and hand soap into water and stir evenly. Brush the shoes in this solution to easily remove the mold spots. If you haven't learned these methods yet, like and save this post. You can learn at your own pace.